Hey, this equation looks simple, right? Let's just go from left to right. 21 minus 3 equals 18. Here we have multiplication. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. And then 18 times 5 would give us 90. Looks simple, right? But this answer is not correct. Because when you follow the order of operation called PEMDAS, P here stands for parentheses. Let's do the parentheses. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Multiplication here, and the 3, the subtraction there, the 21 here. So we have 21 minus 3 times 5. According to order of operation, multiplication and division, so we evaluate from left to right. And after multiplication and division, we have addition and subtraction, which is also in the same level. We evaluate from left to right. Now, we have to do this multiplication before we do the subtraction. 3 times 5 would give us 15. So we have minus there, we have 21 minus 15. And 21 minus 15 equals 6. So the correct answer to this equation is 6.